The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. Don't wait. The time will never be just right. Kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. The fear of death follows from the fear of life. A man who lives fully is prepared to die at any time. Travel is fatal to prejudice, bigotry, and narrow-mindedness. Always do right. This will gratify some people and astonish the rest. The best way to cheer yourself up is to cheer somebody else up. Keep away from people who try to belittle your ambitions. Small people always do that, but the really great make you feel that you, too, can become great. The man who does not read good books has no advantage over the man who cannot read them. Age is an issue of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. Never argue with stupid people. They will drag you down to their level and then beat you with experience. It is better to keep your mouth closed and let people think you are a fool than to open it and remove all doubt. The most interesting information comes from children, for they tell all they know and then stop. 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things you didn't do than by the ones you did do. Whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it is time to pause and reflect. Courage is resistance to fear, mastery of fear, not absence of fear. Don't part with your illusions when they are gone. You may still exist, but you have ceased to live. Humor is mankind's greatest blessing. To succeed in life, you need two things: ignorance and confidence. The lack of money is the root of all evil. Never allow schooling to interfere with your education. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. The more things are forbidden, the more popular they become. A person with a new idea is a crank until the idea succeeds. The only way to keep your health is to eat what you don't want, drink what you don't like, and do what you'd rather not. Good friends, good books, and a sleepy conscience. This is the ideal life. Life would be infinitely happier if we could only be born at the age of 80 and gradually approach 18. The secret to getting ahead is getting started. The more you explain it, the more I don't understand it. Don't part with your illusions when they are gone. You may still exist, but you have ceased to live. Loyalty to the country always, loyalty to the government when it deserves it. Education consists mainly of what we haven't learned. Golf is a good walk spoiled. Do something every day that you don't want to do. This is the golden rule for acquiring the habit of doing your duty without pain. The secret to getting ahead is getting started.